coming here. I'm Dr. Rudresh Purtikar, CMO Goa Medical College. First media briefing is for a recent incident which happened in the casualty. That Honorable Health Minister was humiliated me in the casualty on 7th.
Sir, can you please
Loudly? So our demand is that because of that incident is that we require public apology in the casualty itself. So the Honorable Minister will come and apologize in the casualty. That is our demand.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately.
What if he does not apologize?
So because we are supported by the GARD, the Agency Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty, Doctors Association, as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it is not been accepted, then we may strike.
Can you narrate this incident?
Any discussion with the minister? You have discussion with him?
We already have a discussion with the team. We have given a memorandum in the morning session.
So can you tell me what exactly happened? What happened?
On that 7th, actually, the incident was nothing. Someone relative came asking to give an injection, or just a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection, that's in emergency department. It is not part of the emergency injection. Vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So we say we have to go to the OPD or nearby PSCs because it is not an emergency injection.
So this is the first incident happened in GMC, or earlier also something like that?
This was the first incident which I found. No, casualty our emergency department of tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the healthcare system of Goa. That only serious critical patient has to be handled. Nowadays, anything, even a minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So this is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never, that is also because B12 injection is never an emergency.
मिनिस्टरान काल
एका चॅनलाचेर अपॉलॉजी मागल्या सो तुम्ही एक्सेप्ट करता अपॉलॉजी आय हॅव सीन द व्हिडिओ बट इट इज स्टुडिओ अपॉलॉजी सो वी डिमांड ऑल द डॉक्टर्स that the apology should be that the incident happened in front of the people in public.
It should be recorded.
It could be recorded, and as the went viral, my humiliation went viral. The same thing should be also should be viral. Because I was humiliated completely that day, so I want every people to know his apology.
So what was the deadline you given by when Minister should apologize?
No, it can be within 24 hours. He has to apologize.
Okay. Feeling which you will be going to the strike.
The strike will be continued.
Continue.
Yeah. Thank you.
It will be complete.
Shutdown of services of the hospital.
Of the because we have already given a message.
So service will be cut down.
Yeah, services.
Means treatment and all.
From when?
24 hours.
But you don't think
वीडियोग्राफी केलं त्याची पण कापशी राहा कारण
Yeah, videography. I think it's morning. It's Dean is already informed about all this thing. They have discussed about the videography.
पण तुमकां
शटडाऊन लिगली पॉसिबल आसा
कित्याक जेन्ना तुमी शटडावन करतले खुबशे पेशंट आसतले जांकां ट्रिटमेंट पूण ट्रिटमेंट जे पेशंटाक जाय आसता ते उरतले न्हू कित्याक खुबशे क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांनी आसता पेशंट
Emergency initially we'll see, but even if emergency may, we have given a letter to the Dean. The emergency may also shut down.
So no doctors will be working.
We are thinking on that. Not at this time, we are thinking on that.
But
We
that
are here for the patient. We are here for the patient. That day also, when the incident happened, The Honorable HM had told me to go from the casualty at 12 o'clock, but I stayed there till 2:30, till my next doctor came. We are here for the patients. We are not against the patient. We want to proper treatment is to be given to the patient.
पण ते ॲप्रिशिएट करता मी पूण आतां तुमी म्हटलें की जर अपोलोची गांवांना 24 वरां भितर जाल्यार तुमी सर्विसीस बंद उरतली पण त्या टायमार तुमकां दिसना खुबशे पेशंट ते खंय तरी सफर जावं शकता कशें
We'll see that services, we'll discuss about that and we'll see that the services doesn't affect the emergency cases.
You have a support from All India Foundation.
All India Doctors Association are also supported us.
They spoke to you all.
The INA has informed us.
And you have said also human rights that you all have been going there.
We might go to the human rights.
Thank you.
Whether we will be continue protest here now?
Or it will be continued protest.
Thank you.
About the stop, about what action we will be taking, about what escalation will be taken, and about the people. Each Goan knows that how doctors have toiled right from the time of COVID till the last Shirgaon Jatra, where everyone has survived. These are the same doctors who were there and were called at 4 a.m. and saved each one of you. About services being halted, you are just like us, the Goans. Just look in the eyes of your family and ask and tell us, affirm us that justice was given to us. And the questions that have been asked, की तुम्ही वतले जाल्यार services halt जातली, is probably not. Never services have been stopped in the past. Emergencies do go on, but there is a tipping limit. I suppose हे करू ना जाल्यार फाल्यां दोतोरांचेर वायलन्स जावन जेन्ना दोतोर कोण मरतलो किंवा आमचे फॅमिलीन कोणाक कितें जातलें तेन्ना तुमकां ट्रीट करपाक कोण उरपाना. It is as simple as that. Every morning when you go and you face the mirror, you should be able to have a self-respect and dignity. This is not about one doctor. It is about a whole medical fraternity where everyone has been brought up by their teachers to stand up for self-respect and dignity. And आमी कितें व्हडलें अशें कांय मागुना. It is very simple. It is a very simple 5-point or a 4-point demand, which is not something that requires an external force to be fulfilled. It is as simple कि एक formal, unconditional apology सराक to the whole medical fraternity, and the other points about a zero tolerance to VIP culture. A zero tolerance to VIP culture. परत VIP culture. There is a whole system of triaging. आमी तुमकां मागता सगळे media to really make the public aware of what is a triage. A simple external injury of a abrasion might not be a code red in casualty. Many a times a person who looks fine from outside bleeds, and the best person to take a call on who needs to be treated is a doctor, the casualty medical officer, and the surgeon and the trauma surgeon who is there. It can never be a third person. That is why the whole concept of triage is there. We study it for 5.5 years. We study it for more. आयज 10 वर्सां जालीं हांव ही गोश्ट शिकता. So it shouldn't be something that is commented upon by a person who is watching it from outside. शिरगांव जेन्ना स्टॅम्पेड जाल्लो, हे तुमचे फाटल्यान जे सगळे दोतोर आसात हे 4:15 नॉट ऑन ड्युटी सगळ्यांक काम केलें. सगळे जाण वाचले. सगळ्यांनी येवन सगळ्यांची त्या टायमाचेर सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट आशिल्लो म्हणून हे जालें. इट इज नॉट अबाउट मेडिकल फ्रॉटर्निटी. It is about a Goan who needs to stand in front of the mirror and look into his eyes. It is about a Goan who can look into the eyes of his family and say that I have stood up for my fraternity and I have stood up for the rest of Goa. आयज आमचे कडेन जातले, फाल्यां आनी कोणा कडेन जातले. We have seen already violence happening because of the same demeanor. फाल्यां खंय it might be fatal to one of us. मागीर सर्विसीस बंद पडटलीच न्ही. मागीर कशी ओपन कशी आसतली सर्विसीस. एंड नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग तुमकां खबर आसतलें रायट फ्रॉम long back GMC doctors have never stopped emergency services. I humbly request the media to please block all false narratives. The only reason we are standing behind Dr. Rudresh is to stop and to block a false narrative of political divisiveness, of other things, of people from outside supporting. All of you have seen since morning that all the people who were standing here were Goans. The people of Goa were standing here. It was not a doctor. When I wear this apron, yes, I am a doctor. But underneath who is standing is still a citizen of Goa who has the right to fight for his respect. And Dr. Rudresh Kuttikar he has been my teacher right since I was a MBBS student. आणि ताणी जितले आमकां शिकयला, it would be a shame on me. It would be a shame on all of us if we let this go. It is very simple. The demands are not something that require any external interference. It is just a 3-point thing which is the basic need of every citizen in Goa. Please block false narratives, stand for Goan identity, and that is all I need to say. Thank you so much. The services have been going on since morning. About